Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everybody, we have a special guest today. It is Josh's best friend from growing up, Tam Vo.
Hi.
Yay, Tom! And also her husband Matt's here visiting too. Hi Matt. Yay, Matt!
Nice, nailed it.
So we are going to be making one of Tom's recipes today.
Yes.
You are a mother of 3.
Yes, I have 3 kids now. A first grader, Duncan, and twin girls, Hazel and Ro.
So cute. They're so cute.
So cute.
This is when I feel bad. This is like you and Matt's weekend away. You know, they got to get away, have a little weekend, and we're like, will you bake with us?
It's like we gotta work on this trip.
It's been super fun, guys. Like, we needed just a relaxing weekend, so this has been awesome.
Or Matt's over there. Matt, I promise we will do fun
He
things.
looks so relaxed.
We're gonna go out to dinner tonight. It's gonna be really fun.
And we're gonna have delicious waffles for you very soon.
Very soon.
Okay.
And Matt and I both love roller skating.
Yes. Angela and Matt roller skating.
So we're gonna try and roller skate, Matt. We're gonna try to. Oh yeah, oldies at the rink. Get ready. So as a wedding gift, Tom and Matt gave us a waffle maker, and we love it. We've gotten really into the waffle making.
Yep.
So what are we making today? What are we making today, guys?
You wanna say it?
Yeah, it's my favorite waffle recipe, Lemon Poppyseed Waffles.
Buckle up.
Buckle in. Buckle up, buckle in. We're making lemon poppy seed waffles with Josh's best friend from growing up. And what I want is some stories. I want some stories on Josh. I want
nothing.
What? Oh, look at
It's
that.
so boring.
Look at that face.
So innocent. I have all the stories.
Oh, not only did they grow up together, they went to college together. So I want some college stories.
We did.
Yeah.
Give it up, Tom. I want photos. I want to see what your hair looked like.
So when we were in high school, we met pretty much in our AP American History class. This is when we first
They were
started
smarties. They were super smart.
We
They
were
in
so
AP.
smart, right? We were in AP classes anyway. Did a project together.
Yep.
And we figured out that our siblings, our older siblings, were in the same class, and that he lived right up the street. We got along really well, and he always had this hairdo where he like split it in the middle and then like gelled it down.
Oh no! Zipper part.
Yes.
Zipper part.
Like gelled it down, so
Okay,
stiff.
can I explain for a second?
Please
have
explain.
this trend at our school where the guys would slick their hair back with gel, like in the morning, like really slick it back, and then about third period we'd uncrisp the hair, and then it'd come out like poofy and kind of stay in one spot.
Give me the photos. I want all the photos.
There is photo evidence.
Okay. We're gonna be telling lots of stories on Josh, but we should probably start baking.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So what do we do? How do we get started?
Okay, so here's what you'll need to make the lemon poppy seed waffles. 1 cup whole wheat flour. 1/2 cup flour. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 2 tablespoons golden syrup. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 teaspoons lemon zest. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. 1 tablespoon poppy seed. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is mix the dry ingredients together. We'll add the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt.
Mix
Use
it
the
up.
whisk
Mix
to
it
mix
up.
Yes. So Angela, did you know that Josh was voted most vocal in high school and obviously most theatrical?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
I don't even understand what most vocal means. Were you chatting?
Like singing. No, like singing. I was in the choir. And
Yeah, it was strangely titled, but it was because he was
Yeah.
a good singer. Or still is a good singer.
He's a very good singer.
Thank you.
It's his secret weapon at a party, folks. his party trick is he sings like an angel. What were you?
Oh wait, no. Tom was valedictorian of our school.
so
She was
smart.
voted most academic. I mean, yeah, I know how to pick them. You know, she's the smart one.
I was not voted most academic or most vocal, but I was voted friendliest. That's what I got.
All right, so we are done with the dry ingredients. Now we will mix up the wet ingredients. So we're gonna mix up the eggs and the buttermilk. All right, Tom, you wanna do that?
Of course. Look at
Yeah,
this.
Oh yes.
Coconut oil and then the golden syrup.
Is this golden syrup?
No, that's lemon juice.
There.
Lord. hard.
Because it's golden and it's syrupy.
You know what, Tom? You know what?
That's why she's
You
valedictorian.
know what?
I know, right? I know so much about stuff.
I'm seeing a lot of reasons why you guys bonded. That's actually golden color. Anyway.
All right, so add the lemon juice and the zest.
This is the lemon juice.
That's right.
Okay, thanks.
All right, now let's mix it all up.
Ooh, it smells really good.
Yeah, it
Lemony.
does. So now we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it up. All right, this is looking good and
Yep.
mixed. The last thing we're gonna add is the vanilla and the poppy seeds.
Okay.
So go ahead and put those in. Vanilla.
Poppy seeds. I thought that was pepper. I'm not gonna lie.
And we'll mix this all together and then we are ready to make our waffles.
So Josh was telling me his first car was
It was,
a Datsun. What was it?
yeah, Datsun 200 SX. It was awesome.
Because he loved this car.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it had a little special feature.
Yes, it did.
It got us lots of laughs.
So this car was great. I mean, it was like the stick shift. Like I didn't have to put the clutch in. I could just hard shift it. The windshield wiper fluid would spray right on the passenger window side. So we play tricks on people every once in a
We
while.
were bored.
Maybe Tom would be in the passenger
Yeah.
seat and call someone over, and I'd put the windshield wiper fluid on and spray them, and we'd drive away. Maybe we did that.
Josh and Tom and their friend Eric, they sort of did everything together.
We
and
did.
you said that you would say, Eric, come here, we want to tell you something. And then
Come
you,
here, Eric. We gotta tell you something.
how many
Yeah.
times did he fall for it?
A lot.
A lot.
Probably,
Eric!
probably too many.
How many times are you falling for the Datsun windshield wiper gag? Poor Eric.
Never ending.
Poor
laughs,
Eric.
though. That was
Eric's
fun.
in Minnesota. You guys should say hi.
Eric, come
Hi,
out
Eric.
here.
We
Come
miss
bake
you,
with us,
buddy.
Yeah.
Come play. Angela, what did you drive in high school?
Oh my gosh, I drove a Pontiac Grand Am. It was white with maroon interior. The glove box broke and my dad duct taped everything. He was Mr. Duct Tape. People would get in, like my friend would be like, oh, do you have something? I'm like, don't open it! It's like,
I'm gonna fall apart.
I know, it was special.
Tom, she had a
Yes.
great car too.
What?
She had
I had an
the
awesome-
biggest car of
Yes.
anybody in high school.
That's right, I did.
You always need one friend with the giant car
Yeah.
though. What did you
Yep,
have?
I drove a 1985 GMC Suburban.
It was
Nice.
white
Yeah.
and huge.
It was the best car.
It was.
And especially since after we went to college, we took the party wagon, is what you guys called it. We would drive from Boulder to Denver,
Yep.
go partying.
Listen to Chicago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sing in Chicago at the top of our lungs.
Yes. I'm
We were
sure-
not very cool.
I'm sure you guys
No,
drank
we-
responsibly.
Oh, absolutely.
But we're so cool now.
Yeah. Totally.
You guys are so cool now.
We're making waffles.
Making
we're really
waffles.
cool.
Making waffles. So Tom and her husband Matt and their kids live in Washington,
Yes.
and it looks so pretty.
It does. We really want to come visit.
It's
Yeah.
amazing. You guys definitely need to come visit.
And you told me there's a donut shop.
Yes.
That's why she really wants to go.
It was voted the best donut shop on the West Coast, and
What?
it's not far from us. So
Wow.
you guys definitely need to come.
Can I show you guys one of the gifts Tom got? Well, she got it for the kids, but also me, really. Let's be honest.
Okay, let's go with the kids.
That's for the kids. Angela's like, won't let them color in
took it.
anything.
I know.
Weird.
What? No. She gave it to Kate, but then Kate was like, Angela, and I'm like,
For the love of donuts.
Yeah.
come on. This is a colored book
So
for
cute.
donut lovers.
Yeah.
All right.
But today we're making waffles.
Yeah, forget the donuts.
So
Yeah.
these waffles are really good.
Waffles in Washington. We're gonna come. We're coming for you.
Yes, come
Yay.
visit, you guys.
Okay, so now the waffle maker is heated and we're ready to make the waffles. We're just gonna add about a half a cup with
Yeah.
a spoon. Spread this around, the batter around a little bit, and then we'll close it up. That's it. Now we're just gonna wait for our waffle. Matt, are you ready to have some of this? All right, awesome.
Matt, come join us.
Okay, so the waffle is done. Hooray!
Yay!
And it looks delicious. So
Yes.
it is a little hot coming out, so just be careful. I use my fingers because I have baker's fingers and I don't
You
feel
were-
anything anymore.
Yeah, he has no nervous.
Because you were not most academic.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that's right.
I was most vocal.
Yeah, most
what am I
vocal.
gonna do? Okay.
All right, so can we try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
All right, move that thing.
Okay, I'm
Get
gonna
that
move
out of the way.
All right,
Here it
so
comes.
we like to eat our waffles with a little bit of powdered sugar and some maple syrup.
Wait for it. Oh.
These are actually really good by themselves too.
They
but,
are. They are.
But we like it a little sweet. Everyone gets a piece.
Yay. Matt, how are you doing back there?
I'm solid.
Yes, yes. I like it.
He's used to this. We have waffles every Sunday.
Every Sunday, check out our Instagram.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
All
Cheers.
right, let's give it a try.
Cheers. Yum, yum.
See how we did.
Delicious.
Really good.
That is so yummy. That's so good. I do like it with the powdered sugar though, because then you kind of have the tart and this
Yep, sweet.
Sweet and sour.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Tom, thank you for your amazing waffle
Thank
recipe.
you for having me. Thank you.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in.
Mwah! See you next week.
All right, bye.
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 We have I can't talk. I was gonna say great, and then I was gonna say special, so it was about to be Geschel.
Greshel.
Geschel. Okay, ready?
All right. I do have to say,
That's
Tom.
so mixed.
Don't talk.
Sorry.
Okay, go.
Go for me.
So bossy.
Bomb Roswell. Bomb. I'm not gonna say bomb.
Yeah, don't say the bomb. Not the bomb.
There's some things I can't say. It's
Yeah.
not like an adult anymore.
Yeah. You gave Josh an awesome recipe. Did I say awesome too many
You
times?
said awesome.
I said awesome a lot. Okay, ready? I'll do that again.
Ready?
Ready?
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot we're on camera.
Yay!
That's solid.
Luckily, you can edit all this stuff out, right?
Yep.
Sometimes we can.